Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful mathematical expression that is 14 divided 1 by 2 times 2. It looks simple, right? But still many people fail to solve this because they cancel out the 2 with 2 and 14 divided by 1 is 14, which is the incorrect answer because they did not follow the right approach. What they do, they cancel out and did not take its 14 divided by 2, not multiply by 2. When it's 14 multiply by 2 times 2, you can cancel out and it's 14. But when there is a division sign, you have to follow the KCF rule. Here, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. So how can we apply? Keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So it becomes 14 times 2 times 2. 14 times 2 is 28 times 2. That is 8 times 2 is 16 and this 56. So what is the correct answer? 56, not 14. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.